Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 28 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 28 is a safety check of the disconnect box and the fuses. So we've already been inside this disconnect box and made sure all the electrical lugs are nice and tight, but we also want to make sure that all the fuses in here are the correct amperage. What we tend to see a lot of the time is that the fuses blew and somebody put in fuses that were too large, and when you plug those fuses back inside this box and there's no fusible link there when this unit's drawing too much energy, you can actually cause this disconnect to catch on fire. We don't want the disconnect to catch on fire inside here because you put too big of fuses in it. We also don't want to melt any of the electrical components inside here because it's drawing too much power. So these fuses and this disconnect are really, really important because it's what stops everything from causing further damage. So please, when you're doing your maintenance, doing your tune-up, make sure you're checking for the right size fuses. Make sure you got all the electrical components in here, all the lugs nice and tight. We don't want to cause damage to this unit when we're using 220 volt electricity. Just like your car, we want to make sure everything's working right. We want to make sure all this stuff is working right, because you would agree if you don't maintain your car, it would fall apart or leave you stranded on the side of the road. If you don't maintain your air conditioner, it's going to fall apart and leave you stranded on the hottest day of the year. Usually when the family's over for 4th of July, that's when we get the most calls. So please, it's inexpensive. Get your tune-up done, follow it up with continued maintenance, and let us come out and take care of your air conditioner for you. See you on the next video.